So coming together for the future. How do we do this? Annual workshops are a shining example of how the TCHI family comes together for the future. For a glorious week, we gather with old friends, make new friends, play lots of Tai Chi, and learn from each other. We take the treasures we find here and bring them home to share with our communities. This grows the reach of TCHI programs. It works to fulfill our purpose, to empower people to improve their health and wellness. Nothing can surpass the joy of being together in person. In-person gatherings has been our proven method to share the health benefits of Tai Chi for decades. Yet, when the COVID pandemic erupted, when we couldn't be together in person, TCHI listened to the incoming force, redirected negative energy, and delivered positive ways to move forward. We developed protocols for teaching virtually. We gathered on Zoom, attending deepening and annual workshops, as well as monthly instructor forums with Dr. Ram. And we didn't stop there. During the pandemic, TCHI created a way to certify instructors virtually. We now have self-paced instructor preparation packages, SIPs, for every Tai Chi for Health program. The SIPs are online courses that participants complete at their own pace, learning not only the movements, but how to be a safe and effective instructor. After they complete SIP, they participate in a live workshop with a master trainer, a workshop that can be held virtually or in person. This innovative path forward not only allowed us to train new instructors during the pandemic, it continues to lead to a bright future. The more instructors we can train, the more classes can be offered. This works to fulfill our purpose of making Tai Chi for Health classes accessible to everyone for improved health and wellness. I have found that participants who complete SIP are even more well prepared for the live interactive portion of the training than those who use our tried and proven method of working with a DVD and the Teaching Tai Chi Effectively book. The participants really like this new approach too. Listen to a few samples of how virtually trained instructors responded when they were asked, which aspects of the workshop did you enjoy most? Here's one from West Virginia. I love the combination of videos that I could rewind over and over, the book to read, and the personal work with the master trainer. The variety helped hold my attention without burning out, which I think in turn helped me retain more of what I learned. And here's another from California. SIP really helped me understand and appreciate much more of the depth of Tai Chi, which is exactly what I was hoping for. The Zoom workshop with the MT was invaluable. To have someone there to coach, suggest, and answer questions was fantastic. The next answer from an anonymous respondent affirms that when nourished, Chi grows virtually, as well as in person. They wrote, connecting with others and getting encouragement is what I enjoyed most. I will conclude with a quote attributed to Edward Everett Hale that encapsulates how the TCHI family comes together for the future. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Thank you.